Hi, small business owners. It's Angie Knoll from Reconciled Solutions. For the past few weeks, I've been trying to help small business owners as a business advisor for them to navigate the financial crisis as a result of shelter in place orders and COVID 19. So today is a really good day. It is April the 14th. And today is the first day that I can say with confidence that I have seen some folks that are actually getting money added to their bank accounts from the government as a result of the CARES Act, the EIDL loans. So I want to talk about that. I want to talk about this money that is hopefully in your account right now or will be in your account very quickly. First of all, EIDL relief loans. A couple things about that is that originally when they published the EIDL opportunity, it was for a $10,000 immediate relief loan and a grant, should I say, and they did not stick with that. It did get reduced down to $1,000 per employee. So each business owner is not qualifying for $10,000 immediate relief. It will be based on $1,000 per employee, capped at $10,000. Okay. Secondly, what happens is, and the first person that I saw to get that EIDL money, it arrived on Saturday. Okay. So that would be Saturday the 11th. That money is, the terms of the loan are up to 30 years and the interest rate is 3.75. It has a 1-year deferment period on it and there's no penalty for prepayment or early payment. Okay, so those are the things I wanted to let you know. The second part of the EIDL loan, when you applied, basically you gave them information about the size of your business and different requirements that they requested. They got to choose the amount of loan that you would qualify for. So a notice came back to you from the SBA that says your loan has been approved for X amount. And then you get to choose from that notice if you're going to accept the loan or if you don't choose to accept it. So again, it's up to you. They will tell you how much you've been approved for as a loan amount. And the terms of that loan are at 30 years at 3.75% interest with a 1-year deferment. So it's up to you from there if you want to continue with the loan and get funded for it. Okay, on to Paycheck Protection Program. Folks are starting to see money on this too. The first banks that I've seen fund it are Chase and Bank of America. So those are two of the biggest banks in the country. It was surprising for me with the Chase thing, given that when applications were available, Chase was a little bit behind the curve on that. But we have seen some money coming into some accounts on Paycheck Protection Program. So that's good news. Okay, so those monies, what happens with that is you get an email. It states that you've been approved for your PPP loan. And it says that the money will be deposited within 3 days. The first person I saw got that email on Friday, the 10th of April, and then received the funds in the bank account on Monday, the 13th of April. Okay. On the PPP loan, I want to go to loan forgiveness because now if you're starting to get that money, we have to talk about the loan forgiveness. How am I going to get this money forgiven? So remember that the stipulation is that there is full forgiveness if the money received is spent towards payroll cost, interest on mortgages, rent, and utilities. Those are the 4 things that qualify for loan forgiveness. There is some stipulation there, however. If 75% of your loan is not spent on the payroll, then they might not give full forgiveness. Okay, so full forgiveness is based on maintaining salary levels and it is based on continuing with a full-time head count. They don't want to see the full-time head count of employees decline or salaries and wages decrease. Okay, if any of those things happen, there is a stipulation that forgiveness might not be at 100%. And then the other thing is just making sure that all small business owners, whatever the amount is, that you immediately calculate what 75% of that amount is, because that's the amount that you must spend towards payroll costs. Only 25% of it can be spent on those other things: rent, mortgage interest, and utility expenses. Okay, so those are the tips from me today. I was so excited to see that people are actually getting money into their accounts. If you are one of those lucky folks, please let me know what bank you're doing business with, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.